Hey, how's it going? John from Branson, Cerakote and Laser here. We posted a video a few months back where we went out to the range with our 7.5-inch M16 with the Carlson Nitro flash enhancer on it. It was a fun video. We enjoyed going out and doing it, but we got a lot of comments on the fact that we deleted the audio for it. We did that because it was really loud that day. There were a lot of people at the range and you couldn't even really hear anything. It was a lot of just feedback and stuff. So what we did is a few days ago we went back out to the range to shoot some additional video. It really wasn't anybody there. I think there was one other person there, and that allowed us to get the audio to go with the video so that I can take that crazy thing off of that gun. It is absolutely painful to shoot with that comp on there. So we now have a can on there and we don't have to worry about it anymore. But it was like a final hurrah for that thing. But so we've got that's going to come up. And then another thing that I'd like to talk about real quick before we get into the video is we were approved last week to be the third storage facility for an organization called HoldMyGuns.org. Really wonderful organization. Basically, all of us in the firearms community hear about all these red flag laws and they're taking people's guns through the courts and things like that. This organization, this program, basically allows people to go to a participating FFL and check their guns in when they're maybe feeling a period of crisis, or if they're need just some space, or they don't feel safe having those guns in their home. Maybe they've got a family member that's going through a crisis and they just want to remove that that firearm from that situation. So we went through an entire process. It's pretty detailed. It's actually, you have to go talk to an attorney and have an attorney read over the whole agreement and basically type a letter up saying that this program is legal in the state that you're in. They have a vetting letter from the ATF saying that this program is legal. So there was a lot that they sent us up front that really made me feel good about this program. I think it's a wonderful program. I'm proud to be a part of this, and I'm glad that we're able to offer this. So if you'd like to learn more about that, it's holdmyguns.org. If you want to get some information on that, just send an email to info@holdmyguns.org. Sarah is the point of contact. She is awesome. She'll get back to you. She'll text with you. They're really looking for people in other states. Right now there's one in Massachusetts, one in Louisiana, and us. So they're really wanting to get this program going. We're going to have some fundraising stuff coming up and some other information about this. So we'll probably do a completely different video on this, maybe a podcast, and get that posted. But as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and thanks for watching.
Oh!